I wanted to take time to remind everybody about the benefits of halotherapy. Especially right now, a lot of people are having a chronic cough or maybe a cough that won't move, it won't be productive. The neat thing about salt is that it's hydrophilic. Hydrophilic, that's your word for the day, means it attracts water. That water then thins out your mucus and makes your cough much more productive. So if you're suffering with a cough, you know somebody who has a cough that won't go away, won't move, send them to a salt room. We're here at Salted Desert. Just let us know if you need an appointment.